Meaning of down and out.
Down and out.
Down and out.
Down and out.
Down and out. The phrase down and out typically refers to a person who is in a state of extreme poverty or destitution, often as a result of personal misfortune or circumstances beyond their control. This person may be homeless, jobless, and lacking in basic resources such as food and shelter. They may feel isolated, depressed, and desperate for any kind of assistance. Being down and out can have severe physical, emotional, and social consequences, leading to a range of health problems, addiction issues, and difficulties reintegrating into society.